On top Edo College abuse video matter. Edo government don't summer the college principal, housemaster Koret suspension. Edo state government don't suspend the principal of Edo College for Benin City, Mr. Peter Edo Moi, and the housemaster for Akenzwa Hall, Mr. Oamen Stanley, over the disturbing video where they everywhere for social media for students where abuse other students where they write NECO exam. The secretary to the state government, Osaradio Ugie Esquire, talk say all the students where they involved for this yamayama behavior, them go hand them over to the Ministry of Justice, make them for investigate the matter as it take day for child rights law. The statement talk say Edo state government watch the yamayama video where them for they beat some school pikins where they go Edo College for Benin City, Edo state capital. The ministry can't do their own work and can't find out say na even inside the school if it happen. And na SS students of Akenzwa Hall residents where they write the NECO exam na do am. The video can show say the school management not fit to handle the school matter and the yamayama behavior of the pikin dem. Edo state government don't take the following actions. Government go remove Mr. Peter Edo Moi as principal. In go hand over all the property wey in dey with, and the VP now go head the school for now before them find out everything wey dey happen for inside the school. The housemaster for Akenzwa Hall of Residents, Mr. Oamen Stanley, go also dey on suspension till further notice. All the students wey join for this yamayama behavior, them go hand them over to Ministry of Justice, wey go also do their own waka as it take day for child rights law. The Ministry of Health go make sure say the pikin when they abuse go get ogbonge better treatment. Edo state government won't make sure say our pikins no go get wahala for school. Come still go beg the family of the children where them abuse and also the Edo people wey watch this yamayama video. This na the ogbonge informate wey TMC carry come give una on top the cocoa for today. My name na Jennifer Eimema Ihimi from Benin.